In the age of clay and reed, beneath the sprawl of ancient Sumer, a lone scribe rests cross-legged, his fingers stained with the earth's gift. By flickering torchlight, he etches stories into the rough surface of clay tablets, whispering secrets of the ages. Tonight, his tale is that of the unexpected elixir that binds communities and quenches the toils of labor, the discovery of beer. The aroma of yeast and fermentation drifts through his woven thoughts, entwining with ink and mud. The scene sways like reed boats on the Tigris, transporting us to the lively heart of an Egyptian bazaar. The air vibrates with the calls of merchants, each animated with hopeful zeal, trading in a currency older than coin, the beloved bread drink. Jars gleaming like molten sun pass from hand to hand, and at their center, magnetic and grand, stands a priest draped in robes of every sunrise hue. With a voice both soothing and wise, he narrates the sacred ties that bind the frothy brew to their gods, the ancient rites blessed by the golden flow. Time swirls like the eddies of a great river, settling us among the cloistered walls of a medieval monastery. Stained glass splashes jewel-toned shards across monks in solemn devotion to their craft. Here, under thick stone arches, they stir cauldrons of amber liquid, imparting bitterness with the calculated addition of hops. Wrapped in silence yet loud with purpose, they perfect a legacy, pouring soul into every barrel. Animated maps breathe life into the tale, tracing beer's voyage across Europe. A golden thread weaves through villages and cities, marking its indispensability at every hearth, feast, and festival under the moon's watchful eye. Our journey meets the present, the now, an era where craftsmanship converges with creativity. A modern-day brewery hums alive with innovation, glass gleams under bright lights while stainless steel cradles fermenting dreams.